Islam is a beautiful religion and according to few research reports is also the fastest growing. It has over the years inspired a number of people to study and even to convert to it. So in this video I am going to tell you about a few famous people who became Muslims. Welcome to our YouTube channel Backpack. Please like and subscribe and press the bell icon to see more videos like this. Muhammad Ali is a famous boxing champion and Olympic medalist. He was baptized as a Christian and named Cassius Clay on birth. However, in 1962, at the age of 20, the boxer met Malcolm X, who introduced him to the Nation of Islam, an ongoing religious movement to help improve the condition of African Americans. Inspired, Ali soon converted to Islam. Late pop singer Michael Jackson had reportedly converted to Islam and changed his name to Mikhail. It is said that he pledged his allegiance to the Quran in a ceremony at his friend's house in Los Angeles. His sister Janet Jackson and his brother Jermaine Jackson have also converted to Islam. The world's undisputed heavyweight champion Mike Tyson converted to Islam while he was imprisoned from 1992 to 1995. Very few people knew about his conversion until he tweeted a photo of himself in front of the Holy Kaaba in Mecca in 2010. A.R. Rahman. Known for his remarkable music compositions, the legendary Indian music producer, singer and songwriter was born in a Hindu household. He soon converted his faith as he was drawn to the beautiful ideals and values of Islam. Born as Ferdinand Lewis, the star NBA player converted to Islam when he found about his Muslim heritage. After tracing his family line back to the Muslim slaves who were brought to the US, the pro NBA player converted to his ancestors' religion Islam in 1968 and later changed his name to Kareem Abdul-Jabbar. US comic genius and one of the world's best stand-up comedians, David Chappelle converted to Islam in 1998. His conversion to Islam was a result of the inspiration from his brother, who had also converted to Islam. It was later rumored that Chappelle left his controversial show in the middle of the production because its content contradicted with his Islamic beliefs. Yusuf Yohana. After it was revealed that he had converted from Christianity to Islam, he named himself Muhammad Yusuf. He is the former cricketer and captain of Pakistan's cricket team. Yusuf Yohana revealed that he had taken this step after attending preaching sessions from a leading religious group, and so he got inspired by Islam. Sinead O'Connor. The Irish artist who is best known for her 1990 hit version of the song Nothing Compares to You said she had changed her name to Shohada. She has said that her decision was the natural conclusion of any intelligent theologian's journey, and she also uploaded a video of herself reciting the Azan. If you enjoyed our video, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe and press the bell icon to see more videos like this.